Hey Outer Worlders, and welcome to the Outer World Workshop. And here in the Outer World Workshop, of course, we like anything that it's out of this world. Like Star Wars, anything sci-fi, fantasy, and even a bit of horror. But today, we're gonna do a little bit of magic. Yes, we're gonna do a little bit of magic. And I even have my Harry Potter t-shirt on because we're gonna try to make this toy train into a Hogwarts Express. So there you have it, a Hogwarts Express for my wife's best friend. He really loved this, and when he bought it, he wasn't sure what he was going to do with it, but he thought of me, of course, and he said, I think Jimmy can do something with it, and I think we did our best. He loved it, so that's the important part. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, give us a like down at the bottom. It helps us out a lot. And if you haven't subscribed already, you can do so by pressing the subscribe button down below. And once again, I want to thank you all for being here and welcome all our new subscribers, and hope you enjoy these videos. We're going to have a lot of different stuff here on the Outerworld Workshop, anything that's out of this world. And remember to hit that notification bell so you can be notified when these videos come up. And thank you once again, and see you next time when we make something out of this world.